Every year the world loses about 13 million hectares of forests. Nearly half of the world's population are already affected by land degradation. The loss and degradation of natural habitat have also driven around 1 million species toward extinction. The next 10 years will be crucial in our quest to avert climate change through ecosystem restoration efforts. It is about assisting in the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as conserving the ecosystems that are still intact. If we succeed, we all have a better chance in the following decades to thrive and flourish in our landscapes. Built on decades of auditing land use practices to demonstrate accountability in the forestry sector, we, at Preferred by Nature, support the global restoration efforts. Through our work of developing the Ecosystem Restoration Standard. The standard provides restoration managers with an effective tool to monitor, evaluate and report on restoration progress of ecosystems in various biomes from tropical, temperate to boreal. It is also applicable to all scales and models of ecosystem restoration, including smallholders and communities, medium and large-scale operations. The healthier the ecosystems are, the healthier the planet and its people.